Hello everyone, this is Shihab and welcome back to another new video. So I hope you all are having a good time by the grace of Almighty. And yes, like as always, I'm also very fine. Today in this video, I'm going to share with you about a very important lesson of English grammar, and that is tense. Actually, আজকে ভিডিওতে আমরা টেন্সের সামারি নিয়ে আলোচনা করব. Now the first is all indefinite tenses. So all indefinite tense means that states of action. When action takes place at present is called present indefinite. When action took place at past is called past indefinite, and when action will take place in future is called future indefinite. For example, Shihab dances with his girlfriend, that is present indefinite. Shihab danced with his girlfriend, it is past indefinite. Shihab will dance with his girlfriend, that is future indefinite. Now we will discuss about all continuous tense. So all continuous tense means that action going on. When action is going on at present is called present continuous. When action was going on at past is called past continuous. And when action will be going on in future is called future continuous. For example, Shihab is dancing with his girlfriend, that is present continuous. Shihab was dancing with his girlfriend, it is past continuous. And Shihab will be dancing with his girlfriend, that is future continuous. Now we will discuss about all perfect tenses. So all perfect tenses means that action completed. When action has completed at present is called present perfect. When action had completed at past before another action is called past perfect. When action will have completed in future before another action is called future perfect. For example, Shihab has danced with his girlfriend, that is present perfect. Shihab had danced with his girlfriend, that is past perfect. And Shihab will have danced with his girlfriend, that is future perfect. Now we will discuss about all perfect continuous tenses. So all perfect continuous tense means that action started earlier but it is still going on. When action started earlier but it is still going on at present is called present perfect continuous. When action started earlier but it was still going on at past before another action is called past perfect continuous. And when action started earlier but it will be still going on in future before another action is called future perfect continuous. For example, Shihab has been dancing with his girlfriend, that is present perfect continuous. Then Shihab had been dancing with his girlfriend, that is past perfect continuous. And Shihab will have been dancing with his girlfriend, that is future perfect continuous. So this is actually the summary of all the tenses. So viewers, I hope you understand this. If you guys really love this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and comment down below. And that's all for the time being. So you are going to show the best of luck. Goodbye.